Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Walgreens. We're here to do some deals for the week of the 26th through the 1st of April. And wow, April already. And it is a beautiful day here. It's chilly, but it's not too chilly, and it's definitely sunny. So that's always good when you can get some sun. We've got some pretty good deals. Now, I got some boosters that were spend $25, get back $7 on makeup, and then one for allergy relief. I didn't think I was getting a regular booster, but then on Saturday, I got a booster that was for spend 50, get 10 on one account. And it's only good until the 29th. It's not good for the whole week, which I thought was odd. So maybe we'll get something for the second half of the week, maybe. You know, maybe it's an experiment. I don't know. But yeah, I've got some things that I am going to try out, and we'll just go from there. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There will be a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help you plan your trip or to help you out in the store. But that is really all I have. So let's go inside and see what we can do.
So the first deal I'm going to show you, I'm not personally going to do, but I wanted to definitely show you in case it's a need. So these are $2.29. They are buy one, get one free, and this goes all month long. So grab two of them. They will cost you $2.29, but then you're going to get back 75 cents for each one on Ibotta, making them just 79 cents for the both of them. Designer Jen showed this deal, and thank you for showing that because this is a really good deal, I think. Next, we're going to do the Cheez-Its. The Cheez-Its are buy one, get one free this week. They're priced at $3.99, but look right there. The everyday price is 2 for $6. So these are going to ring up for $3 a piece. Then the $3 will come off for the buy one, get one free. But then we also have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. If you don't have that, that's okay. We have printables, and there's also the coupons.com app. So $1 will come off of these, and it'll make the final total for both of them just $2 or $1 a piece, which I think is a great deal. And I'm actually going to pick this up this week, unlike the Equal, although I should have because of the Ibotta deal. So next we're going to do a deal on some oral care. The oral care is tagged buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. It's advertised as a deal of the week. But if you scroll down below the coupons, it shows that these are part of a promotion where they're buy 2, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. And that would be $4 in register rewards in store. So I've seen people buy 3 of these and they get like a crust and then 2 Oral-B, but they only get back a $4 register reward. So we're going by the app, and we're only going to pick up 2 of these Vivid whitening toothbrushes, and they're priced at $3. Picking up 2 will cost $6. We've got 2 $2 digital coupons that we're going to use. That'll make our total $2, but then we'll get back a $4 register reward, making them both free and a $2 moneymaker. So it's a really good deal either way, but I don't know if they're supposed to double dip with another promotion or if just Walgreens got things mixed up with this deal. So next we're going to move on, and we are going to grab some makeup. Like I said, there is a booster going around that is spend $25, get back $7 in Walgreens cash. I'm going to grab this eyeliner here for $7.99. And we do have a $2 digital coupon. We also have insert coupons. I'm just going to use the digital coupon. Then I'm going to grab some things that I actually need to get. And it is going to be this micellar jelly cleanser here for $13.99. My daughter requests something similar to this, so I'm going to grab it for her. And I'm going to grab her these Neutrogena wipes priced at $7.49. Now these are all full priced items. Now, if I would have thought about it, I had a 20% off coupon. These are not buy one, get one 50% off like a lot of the makeup. So I would have used a 20% off coupon that we get at the register to make this a better deal, but I didn't think about it, so we're not going to split hairs about it. So our total for everything is $29.47. I'm going to use these 2 printable coupons for the Neutrogena products. That'll take $3 off each one, and a $2 digital for the Rimmel. That'll bring my total down to $21.47. Then I will get back $7 in Walgreens cash. Plus, I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta and get back $2 for the eyeliner. That's going to bring our total down to $12.47, which is not the cheapest. I absolutely know that. But these are items that are needed, the cleanser and the wipes for my daughter. So I have no problem paying for them. And I'm just glad I can get them a little bit cheaper. Plus, we're going to pair them in with some spend boosters, so they will be quite a bit cheaper than that. So then next we're going to grab some Olay bar soap this time instead of body wash. They're also on sale for $7, and they're buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. So the 3 of them will equal out to $21. I thought for a second I could grab all 3 of them. I could not. So they're going to be at $21. We have a $5 off digital coupon that we can use on them. After that $5 coupon comes off, then you will pay $16. You'll get back a $5 register reward, making the 3 of them $11, which doesn't seem like the greatest, but we're pairing them in with spend boosters, and maybe we'll get some rebates on Ibotta for them. So definitely hang on to your receipts in case we get rebates for these and the toothbrushes. So that is everything that I am grabbing in my spend 50 get back 10, these products right here. I will be using this $9 paper booster, and I will be using 2 register rewards to help lower my out-of-pocket. That $10 register reward really is coming in handy this week. So then next we're going to grab some Dawn dish soap. These are on a promotion, buy 4, get back a $4 register reward, and they're on sale for $3.99. I am going to grab 2 of these, and then I am going to go over and I'm going to grab some Febreze, because this $3.99 Febreze is also included. So sorry you can't see it very well. So then that's going to bring my total to $15.96. Now the tops of these were different colors, and I was just comparing the UPCs. So these 4 items will equal out to $15.96. We have a $3.30 off of 2 digital coupon for the Febreze. That'll bring our total down to $12.66. We will pay that. We will get back a $4 register reward, making all 4 of them just $8.66, which I think is a pretty good deal. That's also everything that we're grabbing today. So let's go out to the car and see how everything went.
All right, guys, so we are back in from Walgreens, and everything went great. There wasn't any issues, and I'm so happy. This is like the 3rd week in a row that nothing major has happened. And there might be a little blip, but if it can be easily fixed, I don't really look at that as an issue. You know what I mean? There's some weeks that, whoo, Lord, that it can get go real south in a hurry. And thankfully, that's not what's been happening. So I'm excited about that. So I noticed that my $9 Walgreens cash paper booster was expired by 1 day. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to try it anyways. I'm just going to try it, because then they might see it and go, oh, well, I have a couple back here. You can just have one of these. That's happened to me quite a bit. So you just never know what's going to happen. It could work. It could not. And it was only expired by a day. And usually I can go 2 days. But then the past couple times I've done that, I've had some issues. So what I wanted to do was just try it, because the 2 stores that I go to the most have gotten new POS systems. So I thought maybe it'll change. And I don't know if it changed or not, but it worked. And you'll see that on my receipt. So for the first transaction, it was the Cheez-Its. I don't normally buy Cheez-Its, but you know what? For $1 a piece, in a pinch, it's okay to have, I guess. Anyways. So we got the Cheez-Its, we got the Dawn and Febreze, and we got the Oral-B. Now, the Oral-B, it's not double dipping with the deal, but it's advertised wrong. Maybe it's not advertised wrong. I don't know, because in the ad it says buy 3, get 5, and on the app it says buy 2, get 4. So if you wanted to do that deal, you essentially could do that deal and do it as a curbside pickup, because when it says that down below in the app, it means you can do it as a curbside pickup and get Walgreens cash. If you have a deal like that and it doesn't say that, and you only get a register reward in store, then you can't get Walgreens cash. But once in a while, it happens like that. It's the same thing with the Olay. If you want to do like the Olay and the Oral-B together, you can, because they are technically different promotions. That's what they're printing as anyways. They're both going to work as curbside deals this week. So that's always nice when that happens. So we got like I said, we got the Cheez-Its, the Dawn, the Febreze, and the Oral-B. I used a $4 store register reward that I had from a few weeks back. And then I had a $3.30 off of 2 Febreze digital come off. I had a $2 digital for the Oral-B and another $2 digital for the other Oral-B. So that brought my total down to $13.66. I had $1 off 2 digital for the Cheez-Its, but they didn't come off for some reason. So I'm going to submit to the coupons.com app for that instead. So that makes my total $12.66. I did get back some register rewards. I got back a $4 manufacturer register reward for the Oral-B, and I got back a $4 register reward for the Dawn and the Febreze. I also got back a 20% off coupon. And then I got back this little advertisement that shows get $5 when you spend $20 from now until 4/29. When you spend $20 or more on participating skincare products, you will receive $5 off your next skincare purchase. So it's going to be a store register reward for skincare. But when you look at this, it has Cetaphil, CeraVe, Jergens, Gold Bond, Aveeno, all of those things. It's got CeraVe. So I want to do another deal this week with the CeraVe, with my coupons, and with this, plus the $5 register reward that you get back. I would love to pair it, the 20% off, with this, but I don't think that'll work because one of them is going to ring up 50% off, and I don't think the 20% off will come off the other two. So at first I was thinking that was going to be an amazing deal. It's not going to work that way. So I will figure something out, but great things back on the transaction. So anyways, that transaction comes out to being $4.66, which I think is a very good deal considering we got 2 things of Dawn, we got 2 boxes of Cheez-Its, and some toothbrushes. So I think that's all very good. I didn't pay that much, of course. I only paid like $1 and some change because I used Walgreens cash to pay. So super happy with that. Then the next transaction, we did the makeup and the Olay. Didn't do any more than that because we were at our $50 mark. So here is my receipt. I had the spend booster, totally fine. Although a couple of weeks ago, I tried one here that was a day expired and it rejected it. So I don't know if it's because of the new POS system. And I don't know if I told you that, but they got a new one. So anyways, then I used 2 register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket. So then I used a $3 printable coupon, and then I had 2 $2 digitals. One for the Rimmel and then one for the jelly cleanser that I got. I tried to use a paper coupon, but the system took off the $2 coupon instead. So of course it rejected the $3 coupon. So it was just $1 more. So just don't clip the $2 digital like I did. I clipped it because in case one of my coupons was rejected. And so it worked the other way around. So anyways, my total for that transaction after coupons was $41.47. I got back $26.50 in Walgreens cash. So I got 10 for my spend 50, get 10. I got 7 for the spend 25, get 7 on makeup. And then I got back the paper booster of spend 40, get back 9. So that equals out to $26.50 plus a few extra little cents in there. Then I got back a $5 register reward for the Olay soap. I also got back a 20% off coupon here. So I got 2 today. And then I got this stock up It is for pain, sleep, pediatrics, sinus, and allergy. $5 in-store rewards when you spend, or when you buy 2. So we also have that spend 25, get 7 for allergy. So that might stack with this, so that would be good. So anyways, then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back $2 for the Rimmel eyeliner. And then that makes my transaction $7.97, which, like, both of my transactions today were a cost. Like, both of my transactions today were a cost. But you know what? Some weeks it's going to be like that, but I still really like what I got. I got some nice makeup remover thingies. I got 3 boxes of bar soap. I got 2 bottles of Dawn, 2 bottles of Febreze. I'm really, really happy with that. So I present you the deals. You can finagle them however they will work for you with whatever you have. So my cost today for everything was around $13, but I'm okay with that because at least one of the transactions I paid for, I used Walgreens cash, and then I got some register rewards. I'm good. I'm really happy with everything that I got. And I will come back later in the week with a few more deals for you guys, just because I like doing it that way. But anyways, that's really all I have today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. And I'm grabbing something. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys. All right, guys. So we are back. What time is it? All right, guys, we're back. That hurt. All right, let's try this again. I got a 20% off coupon because I should be. Ooh, I don't know if that'll work. Dang it. It's buy one, get one 50% off. It won't work. It won't work. Never mind. Never mind. It won't work. So we'll figure something out. So anyways, that transaction